make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender.
Hi everybody, so I hope you're well and having a really lovely day today. So today I'm coming at you with a Lush video, and this is my Lush Christmas gift guide for 2019. Very exciting. So I was going to go into detail and do a mother's one, a father's one, a friend one, but actually you can give Lush to anybody, so I feel like that was kind of pointless. So I'm shoving it all into one video to kind of make it a lot easier for you guys. I'm basically just going to be telling you the Lush gift boxes this year that I really like and that I think you should go and have a little look at, and definitely are really good for anybody. Now before I begin, obviously I'm doing this for everybody, so it is in a really wide range of budget. So I've gone for kind of the maximum £300 gift sets to the kind of £10 to £15 gift boxes, because I just think that do you know what I mean? I can't get my words out, but you guys know what I'm trying to say. So without further ado, I'm going to jump right in. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video because there might be a possible giveaway. Don't skip to the end, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So I'm going to be going from top to bottom in terms of budget, and the first one is obviously the Wow gift box. Now the Wow gift box comes out every single year. It is incredibly huge and absolutely insanely full of Christmas products. I think the Wow gift box actually has every single Lush product for the year. It contains 48 different products and it is £295. I'm looking down at my phone, by the way, just because I can't remember everything in the boxes. For this one I did just film my screen and kind of go through the products, simply because there are so many things in here that I don't think you want me to kind of be going, it has this and it has this and it has this, but it has got a lot of products in it. You've got kind of bath bombs, bubble bars, lip scrubs, lotions, shower gels, and to me it's kind of a gift set for somebody who is obsessed with Lush, you know, like somebody who's not going to be overwhelmed with all of the products. And I just think it's that kind of thing. Like I wouldn't ever get that for somebody who has never heard of Lush before, because I think they'll probably end up using a bubble bar as a bath bomb and that will just cause me enough stress. So yeah, definitely for me it's one for somebody who is obsessed with Lush. And you don't necessarily have to spend £295 on a gift, but you could always go in with a few people that are going to put money together or that kind of thing. So it is really nice, and it is an extreme present, so it depends on who you want to buy it for, but it is absolutely massive. Next up we have the Merry and Bright gift box. Now this one is £80 and I believe it contains 12 products. Yes, it does. Again, I have filmed that one for you so you guys can see it rather than me kind of list them off for you. But this one personally is really nice because it is mainly shower. There's no bath bombs, bubble bars inside, so anyone that loves to shower who can't have baths and stuff like that, I think this is a really lovely gift. And obviously it is £80, so it's very luxurious. You've got body lotions, toothpaste, shower gel, shower oils. It's a really nice treat present for somebody who, like I say, doesn't like baths, can't have baths and stuff like that. So I think it's a really nice gift personally. Love that one. In the complete opposite direction you have got the Christmas bath time favourites, which is completely full of bath bombs, and this one is £53 and has 9 bath bombs inside. And this one you have Shoot for the Stars, The World's Smallest Disco, Santa's Grotto, Snow Fairy, Not So Secret Santa, Snowman Dreaming, Chris the Camel, Rudolph and Fireball bath bombs. So it is completely bath bomb crazy. So you could either buy this and separate it between people, but I think the whole point in the gift is to have it wrapped already and you literally just have to give it to somebody. I just think it's really nice. So yeah, that one is £53 and is really lovely. Next up we have one which actually the packaging is probably my favourite, and it is the Gingerbread House gift set. This one is £45 and this has 7 products in it, and again this one is more of a mixture, so you can either give this to somebody again who loves Lush and you know would know what to do with everything, or you give it to somebody who has no idea what Lush is and go for someone that you know would find it really fun to go through all the products and kind of learn a little bit more. So this one has Marshmallow World bath bomb, Candy Cane bubble bar, pop-up bath bomb, American cream shower gel, Yogg shower gel, the Comforter bubble bar and cookie dough lip scrub. So it's got a really nice variety of products in there, and to be honest with you, I'd get it just for the lip scrub because that stuff tastes amazing. So moving on down in price, we have the Happy Christmas gift box, and this is £25. This gift box has 4 items in it. So again, these are all bath bombs. So if you have somebody who loves baths, this is a great one. You've got the Luxury Lush Pud, Shoot for the Stars, Santa's Grotto and Snowman Dreaming Bubble bath bomb. And again, if you want somebody, if you're someone that just wants, you know, like a little bit of Lush, or that deserves a nice bath every now and then, that one's a really good one to go for as well. And slightly cheaper, you have the Ho 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 gift set, which is £19.50. Now this one has 3 items in the box, and I really like this one because it has bath bombs and bubble bars, so it's a nice little mixture. And in this one you have the Snowman Dreaming bath bomb, which is a white bath bomb with some like rainbow colours going on. You've got Rudolph, which obviously is a Rudolph bath bomb with the giant antlers made from paper. And then you've got the Santa reusable bubble bar, which actually is my favourite one I think I've ever seen, because it's just a little Santa face, and it's really, really cute. So definitely give those a little look at if you're in Lush next time. But yeah, I really like that one. And again, it's £19.50, so if you're doing a Secret Santa and it's kind of a £20 limit, it's perfect. And you even have money left over for a Christmas card, so love that. Slightly cheaper again, we have the Love, Light and Peace gift box, and this one is £18. And in this one you get the olive branch shower gel, I'm going to really pronounce these words wrong, Aurora Borealis and Minimosimoma. That's not right. So the Aurora thing is a body scrub, and the last thing I just tried to pronounce is a shower oil. So it's obviously not bath based again, which is really nice. I think it just makes a nice change, because not everyone likes a bath, you know, and actually sometimes I do prefer a shower, believe it or not. But I really like that one, and again it's £18, so actually a really good amount for a Christmas present in my opinion. And last but definitely not least is the gift box. This one is £13.50. And this one includes the Yog Nog shower gel, which you guys know I love, and also includes the cookie dough body scrub, which smells so good. So again, I absolutely love that, and again I think it's just a nice gift for somebody who you don't need to spend loads of money on. It's just a nice little present. It just smells amazing, it smells very foody, and I think everybody loves that sort of scent, so it's a really, really good one in my opinion. 10 out of 10. So those are all of the gift sets that I would recommend this year. There was a lot, and I feel like I whizzed through them very, very quickly, but to be honest, I didn't want to bore you with listing everything off from every single gift set, because you guys can just go onto the website and do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Now a lot of you are probably wondering, you mentioned something at the beginning of this video, i.e. a giveaway, and yes I did. I am going to be giving away one of the gift boxes to one of you guys, so I'm so excited to be doing this. I haven't done a giveaway in so long. I think the last giveaway I did was when we hit 1,000 subscribers, and that was about 2 years ago, so it's been a really, really long time coming. So I'm going to be giving away a gift set, and what you need to do is subscribe to my channel, which is the channel you're watching this video on, and also follow me on Instagram. That is the 2 rules you have to do. Now also, I would love for you to comment down below telling me your absolute favourite Lush product, and leave me your Instagram handles down below, just so I can find you to message you to let you know you've won. So those are the 4 things you have to do. Follow my YouTube channel, follow my Instagram, comment down below your favourite Lush product ever, and your Instagram username so I can find you. Otherwise you're not going to be able to get your gift. So those are the 4 rules, 2 rules, kind of 4 rules I guess. Now I'm just doing peace signs at you, bit weird. So that is the end of this video. I feel like I've rambled on for absolutely ages, so good luck in the giveaway. Obviously make sure you check your Instagram direct messages, because that is how I'll contact you, and I just really want you to win. If you win, I don't want to have to give it to somebody else because nobody's replying. So make sure you check your Instagram direct messages, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!